Namaskar. In this video I will tell you about discussion. The hypothalamus is a control station of the autonomic nervous system and maintains homeostasis. The resulting hemodynamic changes in essential hypertension are similar to those occurring in a normotensive person during emotional stress. These changes can also be produced by direct electrical stimulation of motor centers and regions of the hypothalamus. It appears that repeated hypothalamic stimulation leads to sustained high blood pressure. Several papers in the literature have indicated that psychological stress plays an important part in the pathogenesis of hypertension. Whatever the etiology of hypertension, there is, pari passu, a rise in the level at which the homeostatic mechanisms operate, and these react against both rise and fall of blood pressure. Thus, the regulatory mechanism in the hypothalamus is probably set at a higher level in hypertension, and if it can be reset at the normal level, the hypertension may be controlled. Normally, the cerebral cortex receives a wide variety of messages from the environment, leading to an emotional and mental response. These messages are passed on to the limbic areas, leading to hypothalamic and pituitary responses, which are reflected as physiological responses, e.g., on getting a telephone call, a person may start sweating, having palpitations, or a rise in blood pressure. Yoga training leads to heightened cortical arousability and reduced limbic arousability at the same time, which expresses itself in human personality and subjective experience as heightened perceptual awareness and simultaneously reduced emotional reaction. Thus, the regulatory mechanism in the hypothalamus is set at normal or near normal level. This helps in reducing high blood pressure. With biofeedback training, the physiological changes are perceived from moment to moment by means of instruments. This motivates the persons to modify these changes, resulting in modified hypothalamic and pituitary responses. Thus, the two techniques achieve similar results, though they are mediated through different neurophysiological pathways.